tips for getting started in real estate investing. What's going on YouTube? It's Matt Faircloth. Thank you for watching this Mentorship Monday series. My name is Matt and my company is called the DeRosa Group, and you can check out more about us at DeRosaGroup.com. If you have read my book, Raising Private Capital, or if you're a fan of this channel and you've learned something that you've applied in your business, you want to send an email to success@DeRosaGroup.com. That is success@DeRosaGroup.com, and you can get featured right here on this YouTube channel. I'll interview you. We'll talk about what you learned, what you're up to next, and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. We've got a few in the pipeline already, and I want you to be on this channel next. This Mentorship Monday series goes like this. People email questions to help me at DeRosaGroup.com. This Mentorship Monday has been going on for years, and we've answered a lot of great questions on Mentorship Monday. People have just emailed their questions to help me at DeRosaGroup.com. That is help me at DeRosaGroup.com, and I will answer your question right here on the YouTube channel for you and everybody else to learn from. Today's question comes from Mike. Hey Mike. So Mike's got a bunch of stuff going on, so I just decided to call this one just tips for getting started in real estate investing, because Mike's getting started and he's got a bunch going on, and there's a bunch of comments I have for everything that he's got. So as I'm getting old, my friends, this is what I have to do now when I read. So you guys have been watching me for a while. You guys are going to laugh seeing me with glasses on, but I just can't. It's hard for me to read all this without these new friends, right? Okay. So, hey Matt, thank you for the content you share. I'm reaching out to see if you guys have some advice you can share with us. Well, you're welcome. Quick background. I'm a government attorney and a landlord of one single family home rental. Awesome. My wife is a realtor. That's such an awesome combo by the way, that his wife's a realtor, because a realtor can help him find deals. She's also making some earned income as a realtor. Awesome. And I've been on Bigger Pockets and learning about real estate investing for a few years now. Great. Okay. My partner is a home builder who recently transitioned doing renovations and roofing as the market's changing in our area, and it hasn't been that great. Okay. Another great thing that his partner is a home builder, because as Mike gets into more renovations and stuff like that, his partner is a home builder. So the partner brings a lot to the table. And I want to just side comment on a few things for what Mike's built in his partnerships. Wife being a realtor, she can find deals. His partner is a home builder, so he has relationships, plumbers, HVAC guys, electricians, stuff like that. Different people that can get brought to the table for either big renovations, fix and flip, burr stuff, whatever it is he's going to do. At the end of the day, Mike can bring those two different resources to the table. So good choices on partners, and of course, with your wife being your partner, that's also a good choice there too, Mike. He and I are starting up an LLC to invest in real estate. We think that of starting up with a 2 to 10 unit properties, and are likely to scale up and doing some larger syndications in the future once we get some good systems in place under our belt as a partnership. Okay, commenting on that. 2 to 10 units is a good place to start as well. I tell people that a good place to start when investing in real estate is to double your portfolio every time you do a deal. So Mike has 1 unit right now. If he doubles up, he'll have 2. Then he doubles up and he'll have 4. Then he doubles up from there and he'll have 8. Then he doubles up from there, he'll have 16. And just keep doubling every time you do a deal. Talking to you, Mike, but also talking to all you guys watching. That's a good place to start for scaling into larger multifamily in that. So not a bad place to go, Mike. So small multi as a good place to go to invest. We have friends and family interested in investing and being passive investors, and we are trying to develop the details of our plans down how we will structure things with our investors. Totally self-promoting, Mike. Check out my book, Raising Private Capital. But Raising Private Capital talks about how to structure those deals, how to market to those people, how to position what you're doing with those people, and how to set up the deals the right way, and how to get them out of those deals once they're there. Okay, so Raising Private Capital, check that out, and that'll tell you how to set up your private investor relationships with those people. I'm just going to read this because I really don't have much of a comment on this one, but I'll just throw it out there because it's just an interesting comment. We met with our CPA who recommends setting up one mothership LLC and then putting each property in its own LLC with an investor as a member of each respective property entity underneath, right? You can do that, Mike. There's a lot of series LLCs and LLC structures and stuff like that. I really don't get into that kind of thing because I keep my business pretty simple with LLCs, so I'm really not the one to ask about that. But you are talking to the right person, your CPA, and also talk to a lawyer about how to structure that too. But there's a lot of different theories and just opinions on LLC structure. What I will say, guys, there's no one right way to do it. Okay. I'm wondering if it would be better to use a simple private loan or a hybrid model as you referenced in your YouTube video. if you are, this is what Mike's referring to here, is about setting up your loan structure. So could you borrow a little bit of money from a private investor and then blend that borrowed private money in with bank financing or with hard money or with your own money, whatever. I'm a firm believer in a hybrid approach just to financing real estate deals versus like putting the whole thing through one bank or putting the whole thing through one investor or whatever. You got to spread the risk around a little bit and think that you'll end up blending out to better loan terms if you use a hybrid model of one first loan on the property that would be a bank loan or whatever, and then blending in some equity or more expensive money behind it or whatever as a hybrid. So that's a good model, and I would do that. And then, but I would refinance it out with the BRRRR strategy once you've got the property in good position, and that works well with your partner being a contractor, Mike. We'd like to maximize our returns for investors, but also get the most efficient use of our capital and have some flexibility to continue acquiring properties. Good. The hybrid model is a good way to do that. Give your investors some returns, but not giving away the farm either. Good stuff, Mike. Those are lots of great questions. It is really not one specific question, but a lot that I can comment to here, Mike. So my hope is that gave you guys some good tips for getting started. Forgive me for showing my age and wearing my reading glasses. You probably see more of those here. What a Dragon is getting old, said the Rolling Stones, and says Matt Faircloth. So appreciate you guys watching. Again, help me at DeRosaGroup.com is what you guys want to email. Help me at DeRosaGroup.com, and I'll answer your questions right here on the YouTube channel for you and everyone else to learn from. Don't forget to email us at success@DeRosaGroup.com if you've learned something really solid that you've applied in your business and it's created a win for you from my book, Raising Private Capital, or this YouTube channel. We'd love to hear from you on that as well. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mike, and have a great profitable week.